How do you ask a guy out? Do you like someone in your college?
I don't like guys, I hate boys.
मजनू मजनू प्यार हुआ तो वो जब तक शादी और बच्चे में ना कन्वर्ट हो जाए और हमारी ज़िंदगी भर साथ रहेंगे वैसा ना हो जाए, दैट इज़ नॉट दैट्स अ फाइनलिटी टू लव दैट वी अंडरस्टैंड। अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरी ज़िंदगी में वो नहीं हो पाया, बट जो मौके मिले उसमें मुझे ये ज़रूर समझ में आया कि दिस इज़ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग फीलिंग आई हैव। आई फील द मोस्ट पावरफुल व्हेन आई एम इन लव, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक इसके लिए तो मैं सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ। Harsh, I remember 9th of August 2024 is when Laila Majnu released all over India. 10th, I messaged him saying, "Bhai, next STK re-release."
Love it.
And he said, "Bro, your film has a cult following." I said, "Chab na drama mat kar. Your film has a great following. Today we have come to a live and move on, brother. Okay, next." That's the vibe, right? So what you have done, you have just denied whatever you're feeling. I don't want to feel it because you don't have the courage to be able to bear it. Have that हिम्मत नो। अगर प्यार करने की हिम्मत की है तो सहने की भी हिम्मत रखो ना, वरना क्यों कर रहे हो?
Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and happy Valentine's Day. जी वो दिन जहाँ हम प्यार, दोस्ती, काइंडनेस को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। वैसे प्यार को हर दिन सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए, पर आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर लेते हैं सेलिब्रेट। हम एक्चुअली डेट पे आए हैं एक ऐसे प्यारे एक्टर के साथ। वो बहुत ही टैलेंटेड है, एम्पैथेटिक है और काइंड भी है, और क्या ऑन स्क्रीन चॉइसेस है उनकी। पहले नाम दिखा देते हैं, पहले ये बोल देते हैं कि प्यार से आप उन्हें मजनू भी बुलाते हो। समझ में आया? हम इनके घर में हैं, जी हाँ, अविनाश तिवारी। And we are going out on a date with him and also probably meet a lot of other women on the streets. क्या प्लान है ये तो आपको मैं बाद में बताऊंगी, तो पहले घर में नॉक करते हैं। We've all come to pick up our very handsome date. Let's see. Hello. मैंने कहा था ना हमारा very handsome date. Thank you so much.
Please,
Thank you.
please,
We've
please,
come to
please.
pick you up on the date.
Oh, I've actually made coffee for you.
ये होता है perfect start to our fantastic day with Avinash. Let me give you a hug. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, please walk in.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day, as we like to say it.
Thank you. Oh, happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. And here we are in his lovely place. I must say it's so much light is there. यार बहुत ही बढ़िया घर है आपका।
रोशनी तो है घर में, definitely. अंधेरों से छुटकारा मिल जाता है. But there is some black coffee for you.
I love it.
Considering you said you'd like it, and I thought I'll keep it ready so that we can leave from here soon.
Do you see this? Do you see this? There is a reason why I said outside. One of the most empathetic, self-aware, talented people that we have in the industry.
You're right, self-aware, because coffee is the only thing I know how to make.
फिर भी you make it the best. I
Thank
love
you.
it. Thank
Cheers
you
on
so
that.
much. Cheers on that.
Not bad, yeah.
Not bad, yeah, perfect. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही। शुरुआत ऐसी होनी चाहिए। You should start with a coffee date and then like I told you, we have a lot of plans to celebrate this day, but we'd like to celebrate you as well. Avinash, first of all, congratulations once again. बहुत सारा प्यार मिल रहा है
Thank
आपको।
you.
एक बहुत प्यारी सी फिल्म
जी हाँ।
आपकी आई है
जी
बाहर,
हाँ।
मेहता बॉयज। तो you must be delighted again that you get that love.
I think this one especially is a different kind of love. People have reached out thanking you for doing this film. You know, earlier people see the films and they say, "Oh, great job, good job, बहुत मजा आया," but they're almost thanking you to do a film like this because it almost feels like they needed it.
जी।
And not that I knew it when I was doing it, but to realize that this is a consequence of your work, that people feel like that is amazing. So my heart is really full.
Yeah. कॉफ़ी के साथ साथ चॉकलेट का डब्बा भी आ गया है, बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। थैंक यू सो मच, हाउ स्वीट। तो जैसे इट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स, मीठे के साथ मीठी मीठी बातें होने वाली है।
बिल्कुल।
बट लाइक वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन ऑफ योर ऑन स्क्रीन चॉइसेस, जो कि है मेहता बॉयज, बट मुझे लगता है एक कॉमनैलिटी है आपके ऑन स्क्रीन कैरेक्टर्स में। इमोशनली डिस्टॉर्ट होते हैं, मेसी होते हैं, पर मुझे लगता है इमोशन दिखाने से कतराते नहीं हैं। वेदर इट्स तू है मेरा संडे, और वेदर इट्स लैला मजनू, और यू नो वेदर इट्स मेहता बॉयज, ऐसे ऑन स्क्रीन मैन कमाल के होते हैं। टेल मी द फन एंड द एंजॉयमेंट दैट यू गेट इन प्लेइंग real men who can show emotions.
I think, like you said, real men. You know, they are the ones who I relate to. I understand. I understand a certain conventional idea of a hero that has been there, and one kind of goes ahead. But real men are heroes in their own right, and it's important that they are projected like that. The projection hasn't happened, but that's all right. I feel to be able to create that kind of relatability makes home in people's heart, and it stays for longer. And I think that's the love that I get. That most films that people see tend to be repeat viewing for them, because they love these characters, and people go back to watch films again for the characters, for what got left for them. You know, जो उनका भरा नहीं, वो बार बार देखकर उसे पूरा करना चाहते हैं. So these are few things that I've always seen and wanted to aspire for, to be able to create through my craft, create a new life, and bring people who are relatable and people that can express what we all go through in real life. So I think that's the intent that's come through.
I think beautifully written characters, right? Layered and all of that. हम सबको पता है कि हम हिंदी फिल्में देखकर बड़े हुए हैं और हमारी प्यार की जो परिभाषा है उसके साथ साथ बदलता रहा है और भी ज़्यादा इरेशनल होता रहा है, अनरियलिस्टिक होता रहा है. कहेंगे कुछ लोग फिर भी कहेंगे कि प्यार हो सकता है ऐसा. अविनाश, फॉर एन एक्टर एंड फॉर अ मैन हु हैज़ सीन, आई एम श्योर, द वेरियस स्टेजेस ऑफ लव लाइक दे कॉल इट, हाउ डू यू डिफाइन ये जो मोहब्बत है आज? You can tell me how it's changed over the years for you also.
See, it hasn't changed over the years for me. The bigger aspect of it, of when I look at love, I kind of understand it. I have the wisdom to understand what love is.
Yeah.
But when you feel it, so the wisdom would tell me that, you know, eventually love is just an emotion, that the core of any emotion, all the other emotions that we feel is a derivative of love. Okay, that's my true understanding. Love and relationship are two very different things. Relationship is a medium to express love. How you express your love to a person defines that relationship. How I express my love to my mother is different from how I express my love to my father, and that expression defines that relationship. So I think प्रॉब्लम वही हो जाती है. प्यार तो हो जाता है, वो जो रिश्ते के अकाउंटेबिलिटी एंड ट्रांजैक्शनल क्वालिटी है, बिकॉज रिश्ते में वो होना ही है. It becomes a quality thing of give and take, and it will always remain like that. But love is beyond this. So problem हो जाता है कि हम प्यार करते हैं और फिर रिश्ते को सोचकर कि ये रिश्ता should be like how I feel about my love, and that cannot happen. That absolutely cannot happen.
वो इश्क की क्या जहाँ पागलपन ना हो, है ना? इस स्टेटमेंट से कितना अग्री डिसअग्री, क्या क्या कहते हो आप?
यार जब प्यार हुआ तो वैसे ही हुआ मुझे. मेरी जिंदगी में 3 बार मौके मिले हैं, ऊपर वाले ने दिए, एंड आई होप पीपल गेट अ चांस टू एटलीस्ट फॉल वंस इन लाइफ. And yeah, it's always been, I felt that all of me has been into it. बस ये होता है कि क्योंकि the understanding we have in the conditioning of life is कि प्यार हुआ तो वो जब तक शादी और बच्चे में ना कन्वर्ट हो जाए और हमारी ज़िंदगी भर साथ रहेंगे वैसा ना हो जाए. That's a finality to love that we understand. Unfortunately मेरी ज़िंदगी में वो नहीं हो पाया. बट जो मौके मिले उसमें मुझे ये ज़रूर समझ में आया कि दिस इज़ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग फीलिंग आई हैव. आई फील द मोस्ट पावरफुल व्हेन आई एम इन लव, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक इसके लिए तो मैं सब कुछ कर दूँगा. आई जस्ट फील द स्ट्रेंथ. आई फील इट ड्राइव्स मी. आई हैव अ ड्राइव बिकॉज पर्सनली मुझे कुछ चाहिए नहीं. कोई साथ में रहता तो लाइक तेरे लिए करना चाहता हूँ, यू नो, समथिंग दैट ड्राइव्स मी. सो एंड सम पीपल फाइंड इवन दैट टॉक्सिक कि उसके लिए क्यों करना, अपने लिए कर. वी आर सो इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक इन प्रेजेंट टाइम्स, and हर चीज़ has become about individualism. I'm a man who likes keeping people together. Collectivism is what I personally stand for, so I will always stand against it. यार है, I've been really fortunate to have people who are beautiful, and I've got a chance to love them, got a love from them. Unfortunately couldn't be together. Sure. But yeah, blessed to have them in my life.
मुझे ऐसे लगता है आपकी बातें सुन के कि आप भी काफ़ी जन हैं ऐसे जो ओल्ड स्कूल तरीके से जो प्यार होता है और वो स्ट्रगल करते इस ज़माने में विद द डेटिंग एप्स एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स. हैव यू फाउंड दैट अ लॉट टुडे कि आज के इस दौर में क्या एक सच्ची रिलेशनशिप या प्यार को निभाना, जो भी कह ले आप, जीना कितना आसान या मुश्किल होता है?
आई एम श्योर मुश्किल है. प्रेजेंटली तो I've never been on a dating app in my life. Also, you know, as an actor, when you become slightly known, it becomes difficult for you to be on any dating app. even to say somebody says hi and you say hello, that can be a screenshot and spread around, you know. So you just become very apprehensive of doing that. Personally, अब जैसे मैं बताऊँ कि say when I was in school, 9th standard, जब आपको first time किसी से crush हुआ, I remember Monday to Friday we had school. Saturday my friend used to go to Hanuman Mandir. The girl that I used to like used to stay on top of that Hanuman Mandir. And Saturdays I would sit down with my friend, take a bus, go to the Hanuman Mandir just to be able to get a glimpse of her. राम मंदिर से जाके PCO से ₹1 का कॉल करेंगे, she will come in the balcony. You can't openly look at her even in Bombay, guys, you know. And so you will just, you know, look at her and walk into the Hanuman Mandir, do your chakkar, come out and not look back also because everyone will see it. So you just say a bye and leave. And today looking back at it myself, I'm like, kya pagal, what are you doing? But the feeling of me taking that bus, going, waiting for her to come, all those things, that longing, that desire, I think उसका मौका ही चले गया because everything has become so easy, so accessible. It has also become difficult because we have so many choices. There is a choice paralysis we all are going through. पहले कोई 2 लोग मुड़ के देखते थे आपकी तरफ, आज 500 देख रहे हैं, कैसे चुनेंगे आप? So it's not a choice to make, which is what we've been told. It's something that just, you know. I don't know if it has happened for you, right? You just know.
This, I mean, not as intense as you say it, but I think parts of it. But ये गलत नहीं होगा बोलने में कि आपने एक्चुअली काफ़ी एस्पेक्ट्स जिए हैं मजनू हमारे जो
नहीं प्यार तो मैंने मुझे ज़िंदगी में प्यार करने का बहुत मौका मिला है और मुझे बहुत प्यार मिला है. So I don't think that I can ever say that I lack love in my life. I have been blessed with a lot of love. And yeah, which is what keeps me going, very honestly. Yeah, that's the truth.
Love it. प्यार से उस रिश्ते के ख़त्म होने के बाद हील करना भी काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है. अब आई रियल मजनू की कहानी, है कि नहीं? बट वो आई थिंक इज ऑल्सो एन एस्पेक्ट दैट इज सो हार्ट रेंचिंग, बट आई थिंक इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस, आपने कैसे, बिकॉज आप इतने बंगालीज हैव अ सेइंग, दे से फाटिए प्रेम पूर्व, व्हिच मीन्स मतलब दबा के खुल के प्यार करेंगे, राइट? जैसे से फाटिए प्यार करें. यू सीम लाइक अ पर्सन जो कि अगर प्यार करता है वो भी उस तरह से एक शिद्दत से प्यार करेगा. तो जब वो नहीं होता है तो वो दर्द काफी होता है उससे.
आप बंगाली हैं, आपको कोप भवन के बारे में तो पता
जी जी,
ठीक है. What was that? It was always part of our culture that we had a space that we could go and mourn and feel the pain and allow ourselves to feel it. Today we have come to a life of move on, brother. Okay, next. That's the vibe, right? So what you have done, you have just denied whatever you're feeling. I don't want to feel it because you don't have the courage to be able to bear it. Have that हिम्मत, no? अगर प्यार करने की हिम्मत की है तो सहने की भी हिम्मत रखो ना, वरना क्यों कर रहे हो? It's very simple. So have the courage to be able to feel it strongly, and that is when they say, you know, where there is ruin you find treasure. For that treasure you have to go into the ruins, no?
Yeah.
And unless you do that, you wouldn't know. So half the world, because they have just moved on and okay, next. They don't even know what they have experienced, what's the treasure that they have found or not. I personally feel, I'll show you. You want to come step out?
Sure, बिल्कुल.
You guys want to come around?
Yeah. Let's go.
So, this is a place. ये यहाँ पे ये पेड़ है, which I sit down most of the times and admire. I come in the morning with a cup of coffee. This tree has 12 parrots, okay, and all kinds of birds. I've sat here, just looking at that. Trust me, for 2 hours I've forgotten what I was feeling because I'm just so happy to see a squirrel coming through, biting on the leaves and going out. And I know it sounds very कि बहुत ही ये सुनी हुई बातें हैं कि be with nature and do stuff like that. But you're really able to see the difference. That you're giving yourself time to sulk, allow your time to feel. Enjoy what's there, and thankfully I'm blessed with this house. It's given me a lot of space and light. कि कोई अंधेरा होते ही चमक जाओ, it just fills me up with light.
Beautiful. तो इस तरह से बहुत सुंदर है आपका ये गार्डन स्पेस. बहुत कम होता है अगर आप मुंबई के घरों में एंड स्पेशली बैंड्रा जैसे इलाके में एक ऐसे बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सा कॉर्नर पाना.
I've been fortunate with this one.
But you know, इससे मुझे याद आता है.
But it's almost become like a party pad. That's another problem with it because I like to enjoy, and which is why I keep calling it after party, because it's most people tend to come here by post 11 o'clock in the night, and my morning discipline has gone for a toss. So it's not all that good, but I definitely have a space that I can have fun, enjoy, do martial arts, do training, chill. Yeah, it's a place that I can enjoy thoroughly.
आई लव इट. आपकी सक्सेस देख के ना मुझे एक पर्सनल खुशी मिलती है. मैंने फॉलो किया है आपके काम को, आपको देखा है, आपके चाहे आपके अर्ली स्ट्रगल्स ना देखा हो, पर मुझे पता है कि किस तरह की मशक्क़त की है आपने, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ जस्ट फैंटास्टिक. तो पता नहीं आपका सक्सेस में मुझे आई फील फैंटास्टिक. और मैं अविनाश को बता रही थी कि
मैं सच बताऊँ क्यों आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि आपको क्योंकि मेरे अंदर से भाव क्या उठता है कि when you see something good and you appreciate,
Sure.
I feel that you could only see it because you have the eyes too. Okay, and honestly deep down you feel that because you also realize that, oh, I have these beautiful eyes to see this beautiful thing.
ऐसी
Thank
बातें
you so
करने
much. Thank you so much.
ऐसी बातें करने वाले लोग और कहाँ मिलेंगे. एनीवे, थैंक यू.
Thank you.
बट आपको पता है कि ये इंसान बहुत ही खूबसूरत है इनसाइड आउट. इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट. पर चलिए वापस जाते हैं हम
जी.
जहाँ बातचीत कर रहे थे. थैंक यू सो मच. और बस थोड़ी और बातचीत और फिर हम एक कुछ बहुत स्पेशल चीज़ करने वाले हैं.
मुझे क्यों घबराहट हो रही है आपके स्पेशल?
बहुत खूबसूरत सी जगह दिखाई हमें अविनाश ने. आई थैंक यू फॉर दैट. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस एंड लाइक आई वाज टेलिंग यू एंड ही टोल्ड मी, बट आपकी सक्सेस सच में मुझे बहुत खुशी देती है.
Thank you.
आपने बहुत सारे डायरेक्टर्स के नाम की. यूर रीयूनाइटिंग विद इम्तियाज.
Well, yeah, there is something that's going on. Unfortunately, I'm not in a position to talk about it much.
Sure.
But yes, there is something that we are looking at. Hopefully, it comes through very strongly.
Gives me hope and love. Imtiaz and Avinash is a winning combination. But you see the power of love in cinema, right? With
Absolutely.
the re-release of Laila Majnu.
Absolutely.
जिस तरह
Laila
का
Majnu, Sanam Teri Kasam. I want to make a mention of that.
Yeah.
Because Harsh, I remember 9th of August 2024 is when Laila Majnu released all over India. 10th, I messaged him saying, Bhai, next STK re-release.
Oh, I love it.
And he said, bro, your film has a cult following. I said, chab na drama mat kar. Your film has a great following, and to see the numbers that it's making, I am so happy for him. I am absolutely.
I love that.
What it's saying is people with honesty, people who have put in their heart and soul. The audience is willing to listen to them. They are keeping their eyes and ears open, and it gives so much of faith to us. The desire to keep going on and say, listen, we are relevant, we are here right now, and it's our time. And again, you can only thank the audiences because this is really them going and showing. Like you said, it's personal.
Yeah.
Everyone who's gone for the films has made it personal.
So true.
So it's them doing it. It's not us. It's like मेरा नहीं होना इसका करूँगा.
Yeah.
That's the vibe, and
That's true.
it's the biggest power that one can feel. And I'm really thankful. That's something that I feel absolutely. I join my hands and thank everyone who's shown the love.
I love that. I'm going to make a brief mention to the time because you said that and कि मेरा नहीं हुआ तो I'll celebrate that love. Years ago, I remember when Mr. Balki had mentioned about Alia and people like that, that they are such talents. I remember reading your tweet and I knew it came from a place of hurt, not anger. I feel like it was disappointment. Anger is too strong a word to say it.
I don't think it comes from either. Very honestly, for me, just stating facts. And with time, I know because I am a man who's slightly intense and passionate, everything that would come through would seem like there is a strong emotion behind it because that is what is expected. But I am absolutely just stating facts out there.
True.
That if you say best, then you can say best only when you have seen it all.
Yeah.
आप अगर if there is a खाओ गली जहाँ पे 10 बाकड़े लगे हुए हैं, 10 पे छोले भटूरे बिक रहे हैं, and you say जिस पे भीड़ ज़्यादा है वो अच्छी है,
True.
without tasting the other ones, then you're not making a fair judgment.
True.
So you can make this fair judgment once you have eaten all. आप देखो उसके बाद बात करो.
जी.
Which is just fact. There is no hurt, there is no anger.
Yeah.
It's just putting, and I think giving yourself the due respect to say that you can put your point across to anyone is very, very important. I stand for that, and I just stood for that. People can interpret it the way they want it. That same statement was seen in 15 different ways by different people.
Sure.
Right? Which is
No,
again.
the honesty came through. Some
Absolutely.
people thought pain because maybe they felt like that for you, right?
नहीं नहीं आपको अरे इसको नहीं मिल रहा है ये ना दर्द
No,
में
not
है
like that.
No, I know because a lot of people reach out to you. I made a tweet about other things also. Sour grapes, you know, things
They say
like
that.
of course so many things that are said and which is absolutely all right. If you don't know me, if you're seeing from a distance, it can appear like that, and it's all right. There, I can't expect everyone to be wise.
And understand what you're going
Yeah, it's stupid of me. So I need to have that wisdom, very honestly.
तो चलिए अब ये डेट कंटिन्यू होता है बांद्रा के गलियों में।
आइए, बांद्रा की
हमने बता देते हैं आप लोगों को कि अब हम जाने वाले हैं अविनाश के ब्यूटीफुल कार में एंड आई गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी to sit with him and go across Bandra a little bit and then we are going to stop in some places and maybe some chat with some of you who are there. हमने अनाउंस नहीं किया क्योंकि हम नहीं चाहते थे वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा लोग आ जाए तो हम जाके randomly and he's been kind enough and a spot you don't find actors who usually agree to do things as a spot to go and meet and spread some love and kindness.
This is scary. But the core point that, like you just mentioned, share love and kindness. That's all we want to do. And
that's what we want to do. We just want to spread love and kindness. You know, because I see so many people talking about how lonely you feel, how Valentine's Day is not for us. If you're there, we will see you
hey,
now.
lonelies, let's party together.
We are all lonely. All right, Avinash, then are you ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
It's going to be fun, I hope.
It will be super fun. Thank you. Yay! All right, Mr. Avinash Tiwari, and our Valentine's date continues. Like I said, while love should be celebrated every day, but I think Valentine's में कुछ ज़्यादा ही प्यार उभरता है हम सबके अंदर से, है ना?
Yeah.
तो thank you for doing this, by the way. You know,
Thank
you've been
you.
a sweetheart in accompanying us in this journey.
I'm so glad you thought of me. I mean, the moment you said love and kindness, I said, wow, wow, wow.
But it's true, no?
Yeah, you like that people are able to express their love to each other or any kind of kindness that they feel. You have a small amount of crush on someone, you're able to express that. So it's a day that you've created, you can at least express what you feel like.
Do you remember the time when you've done some like a grand gesture? अभी आप उसे चीज़ी बोल सकते हैं, but जब मुझे लगता है जब कोई आदमी प्यार में होता है ना वो हर चीज़ कर सकता है.
I think cheesy तो I don't know because
चीज़ी नहीं, चलो मैं कहती हूँ grand gesture
I
जिसे
think
कहते हैं.
grand gesture would be to just fly from one country to the other so that I could have a cup of coffee with you and then get back, you know.
Oh my God.
So yeah, I mean, those things you have done, but you feel like you. So see, that's what love does to you. You feel just that you want to, you don't want to let go of this moment. You want to reach out to this person. You want to spend more time with them, and you're willing to take those efforts. That is what makes, which is why I said love is so powerful. It so gives you so much of strength.
Have you had issues with expressing love in the beginning? I mean, a lot of people do, right? Like, and I feel, and I'm going to talk this as a man because I want to break down masculinity. आप किस तरह से over the years आप समझे हो
I
इस चीज़
think
को?
one thing that I don't know if it's to do with masculinity, but expressing, say, the idea of PDAs, okay, and I know, like, say, if I'm in a relationship, the girl feels so safe to be able to express herself even in front of the world. I have always found it to be like I freeze and I kind of awkward, and I give a thought to it. So I used to justify it saying, you know, honestly, when I kiss you, I don't want the world to see how your face, your smile becomes when I do that to you.
Correct.
And because I become possessive about it. It's so intimate, it's so private, it's so personal for me. And that's the idea of expression, which is why I want it to be private. When it's about us, it's about us. I don't want the world to be included. Beyond that, I think I have been very expressive, because eventually your partner becomes like a reflection for you. You kind of, I would share everything that's going in my head without any filter. Also not the wisest thing to do, because in a relationship you have to, it eventually becomes, there are certain boundaries, there's certain give and take away that happens, which I need to learn better. But I feel freer if I'm transparent, and that's what I seek in a relationship, because transparency is the core to trust, and you look forward to it.
Beautifully put. लोग कहते हैं ना मर्द अपने पसंदीदा औरत के लिए and all that. You will keep seeing that, right?
Absolutely.
पर मुझे जानना है पसंदीदा औरत, अविनाश का पसंदीदा औरत बनने के लिए, you know, if you have to, what are the kind of qualities, Avinash, you kind of look for in a partner? कि किस तरह के चीज़ें आपके लिए ज़रूरी होता है रिश्ते में, and especially when you're in a relationship with your partner?
You know, I think now this is the third decade of my life, and over the years I have met enough people in my life, enough women in my
जी.
life. My question to myself is, there have been some amazing women, gorgeous, talented, skillful, brilliant as human beings. But why is it that I have only felt it thrice? Why is it that उसके लिए ऐसा महसूस हुआ जो किसी और के लिए नहीं हुआ? Were there any list that I had? No, I had no clue. It's something that कि यहाँ आकर मेरे कंधे झुक गए. You know, and I don't know what that feeling is, where it comes from, what is that thing that the other person had. And I would always say, when asked ki, why do you love me, and I would say there is no reason to love you, because if there were reasons, say I love you because you're very pretty, something happens to you tomorrow and you're not as pretty, would my love disappear? So it's not based on any reasons, it's not based on the circumstances beyond that, which is why I feel for you, which is why I feel like यार यहाँ पे आना, यहाँ झेल लूँगा सब कुछ.
How sweet.
And that is what it's been. I don't know what the parameter for that is. I also seek it कि भाई मुझे वापस महसूस हो जाए वैसा, because I know it's an amazing feeling, but it doesn't happen.
So what have you learned from the relationships you've been in? सीखा क्या है? सीखते हैं ना हम हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ.
मुझे actually I think generational acceptance. Overall, and I think Mehta Boys talks about that, considering I want to bring it back to the film.
Yeah,
in
of
present
course.
time, we speak a lot about generational trauma and the baggages that we have carried. And the more you see life, you realize that बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं बदलता है. आप बस समझने लग जाते हो. You start accepting things. I'll give you a small example. I just fell in love with a cat. I just discovered it, okay? I was never a guy who liked animals. This cat came into my life. My friend said, please, would you pet her for a few days? Would you do cat sitting for a couple of days? I'm heading out. And I said, okay, why not? 2 days, I was really not liking it. Third day, she walked in, asking for food. And something happened to me. I said, ठीक है. I must say, now I know I love this cat a lot. Where did that feeling come from? I have no clue. She hides every few days. I get pissed, angry, okay? But I know it's part of her nature to hide, right? I might get angry, but because I have this acceptance of the fact that it's part of her nature, I don't, right? But that acceptance for human beings takes a lot. So we all need to evolve. So I personally realized that I need to become more tolerant with it, I need to evolve a little more in life.
हम बांद्रा की गलियों में आपकी गाड़ी में घूम रहे हैं.
जी.
बताइए, how do you look at romantic drives and these streets of
I want to tell you
Bandra?
that Bandra is, I've been part of town most of my life, but I love Mumbai till Bandra. उसके बाद से मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा bearable हो जाता है. I can tolerate it, but till Bandra I absolutely love and adore. A lot of, like the first time we decided to party in life when I used to stay in Vadala, Bandra used to be the place. I used to stay in Top Hill at that point of time. And it's really Bandra jana hai. Bandra used to be a place which is, so today when you are here.
And also Mannat.
I mean, I was never very excited by stars and celebrities.
That's true,
It's not something that came to me. But the idea that Bandra is fun was always part of growing up. And now that we are here, I said, अब हम इसीलिए I keep saying कि Bandra is the party capital of this city, and my house is the after party capital of Bandra.
Wow. I love it. Yeah. It is. So some epic parties happening at your house. Like I said, what do you think about what would be your ideal date? Like I said, a romantic drive, but I don't know what is your idea of an ideal date? कि यार ये easy होगा. Maybe let's break it down. Maybe for a special occasion and the first time you meet someone, what would you
see? For me, very honestly, if I am going on a date, all I am looking for is my time with this person. Okay, that's what I desire.
जी.
Now I know that the dating idea and how it's been conditioned around is to make the other person feel special. So for me, it would be all about whatever would make this person feel special.
Correct.
Sometimes you attempt something and it doesn't fall right. Sometimes you do very little and it reaches out so much more. So if you're going on a date, you want to ensure that आदमी at least ढंग के कपड़े पहनेगा कि यार I will be able to impress her. You will take her to a place that you think she would like. You would want to do things that she would like. So it depends. It could be simply you making breakfast or lunch at home or dinner at home, or it could take to a really fancy place. I personally like to go to places where I can find my quiet time.
Yeah.
Also, like I said, I'm not great fan of PDAs, so I need my privacy and not everyone enjoys that.
Yeah.
So yeah, it eventually gets down to whatever she likes. Always do that, whatever she likes, brother. All the boys, whatever the girl likes, you will be happier in life. I know थोड़ा तकलीफ होता है, but eventually life में balance हो जाएगा. तू आज करेगा, कल तेरे लिए फायदा हो जाएगा. It's my understanding.
Well, I think it's a good advice. Yeah.
It balances out, so don't worry about it. You might feel that she's getting a better part of the deal right now, but it will balance out.
Yeah, I feel women also want to know what the other person wants, and eventually they will want to do what you like to do.
Absolutely.
You don't like it. So chaliye, what we're going to do right now is we are going to go and surprise, like I said, a few people who are there who have no idea, and genuinely हमने किसी को inform नहीं किया है, किसी को planned नहीं किया है. So we are going to see. This is going to be very fun, and यहाँ मेरे पास यहाँ पे खूबसूरत, of course. Like I said, love and kindness spread करने की कोशिश है हमारी आज. तो अविनाश को बोलेंगे, इन प्यारे प्यारे फूल देंगे और उनसे 2 मीठी मीठी बातें कर ले. अविनाश, are you ready for it?
वाह, मुझे घबराहट हो रही है.
I think उनके लिए luckiest day होगा.
I hope so.
You sit in the car, we're going to check it out, and then Avinash is going to come along. All right then, I'm going to go.
Take care.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. How are you guys? What's up, bro? Hello. Pleasure. Hi. What's your plan for Valentine's now? तेरा भी वही हाल है? मेरा भी वही हाल है यार. How do you ask a guy out? Do you like someone in your college? No, you don't. Do you?
Not really.
No? You don't find guys good?
No,
good
I
enough
don't find
in
guys good enough.
Really?
I don't like guys. I hate boys.
एक सेकंड. इसी बात पर आपके लिए गुलाब यहीं रहा. Please tell me that you would like me. I'm a guy and I'm not that bad.
I will definitely
Yes,
like you.
not that bad, right? Can I take this moment to give you guys flowers because
Thank you.
I'm also single, you see. And we should. है ना? Let's all of us go on a date. How is that? Let's do that. That should be fun, right? We'll have a good time. And I will make sure I do everything in my hand to ensure that you like boys.
Okay.
Better. He's a green flag. Let's give him.
Definitely.
Thank you guys. It's a pleasure meeting you guys. We just stepped out. We thought we'll reach out to people, make sure we share our love and hope you guys go ahead and do the same. Yeah. अब ये जाकर उनको देना जो थोड़ा सा भी अच्छा लगता है, थोड़ा.
I would give it to anyone because others receive it.
How lovely. Sweet. Thank you guys. Pleasure meeting you. See you. Take care.
Do you want to say anything to Avinash that you've met him here? They didn't even know, right? So let's hear it.
I went with my 2 of my college friends. It was amazing, and I was literally sitting like there crying. I was like
watching it.
I was like, no, this can't be true. I was so crying, and it was really amazing.
You know what? So I'm sure Laila Majnu would be running in some screen somewhere.
Yeah.
There's also Sanam Teri Kasam running out there. Please go out, watch it, enjoy it, have a good moment, and stand for people who you love.
Okay.
Always. Yeah.
I think a lot of boys want to meet you. Maybe you want to give them this more than feel like go.
You know, I had got गुलाब सिर्फ लेके आया था लड़कियों के लिए यार. वैलेंटाइन है तेरी? नहीं. सच बता. मजनू. देखो ये भी सिंगल है. I'm just telling you guys. सब एक ही बिरादरी है भाई. सब एक ही बिरादरी है. Thank you so much, brother. If you ever feel like कि कोई लड़की मिले जिससे देना चाहो, please share some love. Yeah, please do that, brother.
जैसा कि हमने वादा किया था, we're gonna spread some love and kindness. Unfortunately, बहुत कम time है and भीड़ जमा हो गई. We'll have to take Avinash as a next shoot. But Avinash, thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
Did I not tell you they are loved? Did you just see her? We didn't even tell him. We spoke to 3 people saying that someone's gonna come, and there's so much love for you.
So glad. I'm so glad I got love from people.
I have to give him some more love. Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much, and I love you. And you, I know, are going to made for greatness, and we expect so much more because I know
you.
you will. Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy
Pleasure.
Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Bye.
Bye. See you.